Changing the anti-roll sway bar bushes. Symptoms that show the bushes need changing. When you're driving, you may hear a constant knock each time you go over a bump or pothole. The bushes are very simple to replace. These are the anti-roll sway bar bushes. You can find replacements online. Polyurethane is better than rubber, as they last much longer. You will need to put both sides up on stands. If not, the anti-roll sway bar will be stressed, and you will risk hurting yourself. You will need to remove the weather shield first. The fasteners in this clip are already loose for video training purposes. There's a fastener up there. 2 more at the side. Then remove the bracket. These fasteners hold the bracket. They might be very tight. You may need a 1/2 inch drive to help remove the fasteners. The bushing might also be a bit stubborn. The anti-roll sway bar now moves freely. Move it around and just remove the bush. Now install the new bush. And reinstall everything how you removed it. Any knocking sound you had will now be gone.